Hi Sobat Diprok, welcome back to the LKPP YouTube channel. I'm Anas from the Digital Procurement Directorate of LKPP. I will share the information about how to register as a vendor in SPAC-ICB. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. SPAC-ICB is an electronic procurement system built for international competitive bidding, in which the project is funded by non-government funds. Public can access SPAC-ICB through spacicb.lkpp.go.id. Companies who are willing to compete in the bidding process must be registered as a vendor.
Open spacicb.lkpp.go.id. At the top of the page, click Register as a vendor. Input your user email and enter the security code, and then click the Send button. You will get an automatic email notification. Click the link inside your email. Fill out the company identification, such as user ID, password, company name, tax ID, and so on. After you finish filling out the form, click the Register button. Your account will be verified within 24 hours.
And that's it. Easy, right? You can use your account after the verification process is finished. Please contact to the LKPP call center at 144 or report to the LPSD support if you encounter any issue in the SPC application. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get the latest information about LKPP. See you in the next video.